Okay, so we have a person on one of the X-Tool sites. We're asking how to remove the Mr. and Mrs. from, from this image. And 2.0 is actually not terrible. I mean, it's a little more than I was hoping, but I'll go here and just clean up some of this stuff. Let's use that for reference. Use that stuff for reference right now. I'm showing what I mean by reference. So basically, I'm going to take this thing. We're going to use this edit node feature. And we can pull these down. So there. Then what I can do is just take this and hit delete. Let's do it. Go the other way. Chases around when you let it go. So hit delete. We'll just chase it around. It's just add these other nodes. So from here, basically I'm just going to add nodes and drag them back up. Basically, let's go over here and change these. It's number square. That one square. Let's see. I have Snap on right now, and I probably don't need to. Oh, it's I could have went through and could see why I put them out there, but I was just trying to get spots right now. So it's nothing crazy. Yeah, we're just getting with those stats for it. Picture with some nice art form. No, I'm not talking about this one really. I mean, it's just kind of going through and place the nose. Pretty brown what we're doing here. And I'm sure it was like, oh, just make a heart and just cut stuff out of it. And it's like, it's gonna work with that transition with the bride and the groom though. That's why I didn't just cut out heart. So you gotta watch. It's not even like accidentally throw an extra note out there you don't want to add. So, there is other Wait, yeah, probably doing minutes. Like this is gonna get us pretty darn close in a short amount of time. Pretty darn close. And again, now it's just going in there and move on. There you go. Hopefully that works out. That's kind of what you're looking for. 6 minutes, not terrible. And again, I'm sure there's other ways to do it, but like I said, using this edit node feature now is pretty handy. Really what you want to do. If you wanted to, you could actually make it a suck it all and make it a compound vector. Now it's just all one. So if you want it separate, then you can just release it. So, and some of the new features in XCS 2.0, really like them. Hope that helps. If you like what I got going for you guys, I know again it wasn't a lot of chit chat in this one, but like it, please subscribe. All right, thanks guys.